supposed to collect. We are not going to collect here because these people don't go through proper channels, procedures and all that. They don't bank their money. The police that are dealing with this, they also find the stash of cash. In one place they find the cash of 707,000 rands stashed, and that money finds its way out of the country without going through, so it will be under authority. Hence, as you sit down and you listen, you realize that we're facing a bloodless economic coup d'etat where the illegal activities and the illegal people are taking over. We need to really work harder as a law enforcement, tighten our laws, and all of us in the economic cluster and all that, close those things. Even the small business, we need to see that South Africans, they get bigger opportunities on those matters so that the money circulates and then the collection of SARS is better, and then we're able to do things that we're supposed to do. But the laws must be tighter because we find that sometimes they get easy bail, they get the cases are withdrawn when they've done the damage. When you sit down and you listen, the damage is just huge.